Hello folks. Now before we get started with the Watercolor Art Prompts version 2, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so please click that first link in the description below and you'll find out what Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier has for you. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the Watercolor Art Prompts version 2 in the second link in the description below. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus is Affiliate Marketing Business Made Easy, and it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. It includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with a ton of free traffic. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy it from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price, and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a recurring passive income, and the point here is it's a recurring passive income. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now the creator of Watercolor Prompts version 2 is Daniel Malandri, and he is known as an online marketing expert who seeks to help marketers and online businesses increase their results and success. He has nearly, I would say, close to 10,000 sales now and over 20 products to his credit. And Daniele's products always come highly recommended, and this one is no exception. In a nutshell, Watercolor Art Prompts version 2, these are completely new art prompts, and you can use them for posters, home decor, wallpapers, print on demand, or sell them as an AI artist. Now here's some things you should know about this product. You get 300 watercolor art prompts that are 100% new, as I mentioned earlier. The prompts cover many niches like landscapes, flowers, animals, abstract paintings, children's illustrations, cities, and more. And you can use them on any AI image generation tool. You can say goodbye to artist block with this bundle, and these prompts have a great market value, I'm told, and they are carefully crafted and researched. Now the sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end, and you receive the 300 new ready-to-use watercolor art prompts. And you can use them freely on tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, and DALL-E, and that's for $9.95. Now, there's also a bump, which includes 200 more art prompts for $7. And did I say you also get 3 bonuses besides the ones that I offer with this product? Now that really is a super deal. There are 3 OTOs with this product. There's an OTO 1 where you can expand your collection with another 1,000 watercolor prompts, and that's for $27. OTO 2 is you can receive all Daniele's Melandri's previously released AI art packages for $67. And OTO 3 is a Midjourney prompt generator for $47. And then all you need to do is copy and paste to create prompts for Midjourney in any style. Now, if you need to know more, click on the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, plus the bonuses that you will receive from Danielle. And they are: supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and outsell other affiliates with affiliate marketing made easy. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.